So let's go. Let's go. Okay, so let's see it together. Let's go on the annual report. Then let's go to the. So I don't know why the search option doesn't work. About the cost of debt should be here. This is not like so. Here we are on the long-term debt. Okay, so as you can see, if we look at the average rate, this is quite. So we're going to insert here. Tax rate is 25. So the net cost of debt is this one. 3%. About the market risk premium, I'm going to use the market risk premium from Damodaran, which means that you should go on the Damodaran website, then data, current data. You have to go on implied equity risk premium. Nope. Leverage price. Okay, so the tax rate, don't need this anymore. You should go on country default. Okay, country default. Where? Don't know where I can find them. By the way, you should go on the country default spread and its premium. If you want, I can put the link in the comment if you need. So about the US, we have a market risk premium of 4.6. Okay, so 4.6. Damodaran people A rating country. Okay. About the risk free, I'm going to use. I want to get the average 6 months past average of the 10-year bond of the US Treasury. So you have to go on investing on the rate and bonds, financial future. I mean, if you want to see how to find this information, please check the other video I made on the DCF. So you go on download data, you open it. Okay. Let's now create a copy and send to the end of. Okay, let's now go on data, text to columns, and then delimited with comma, finish. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's cancel the grid lines. Let's compute the average divided by not correct. Another 0. Okay, perfect. Add HP, 0, 0. Okay. This is our risk rate, which is the yield US Treasury bond average past 6 months. Perfect. About the beta and platform equity, I want to look at the sector. I can cancel this. So let's go on Damodaran. Let's open the total beta by industry sector and let's look at the US. Let me create another tab. Beta and the equity retail sector. Okay. So I know that the Walmart is included into the retail general. If you want to know, if you want to see how I know that, is because you have to click here, then enable editing, Control F, and you type Walmart. So the sector it belongs is retail general. Okay, so retail general. Okay, this is the average unlevered beta of the market. Oops. So let me just copy, create a copy, the empty, move to the end. Okay. So let me link the unlevered beta. Let me link the debt on equity. Where is the I downloaded the partial file. Great. Total beta. Where is the total beta level? So the home page, data, current data, levered and unlevered beta. Isn't this the okay? This is the file looking for. Okay. Or copy. Create a copy. Let's move it to the end. Okay. I can this one. Beta. Beta. And the retail. Okay, so the market, the industry is the same. Okay. I can erase this one. Okay, so unlevered beta. Let's go back where we were. Unlevered debt over equity is this one. The formula for relevering the beta over the target debt over equity structure is unlevered beta times 1 plus minus the tax rate times the financial structure. The alpha factor in this case is 0. If you want to know more about the alpha factor, please check the video of the DCF, the Apple DCF, and that plus the formula is divided 1 plus this other one plus 1 is my this one. Depth. Let's now weight the cost of debt and the cost of equity by these two percentages, which is this market. Okay, so we have 9%. Okay. So according to this valuation, according to this valuation, the implied share value of gotten with this method is a bit undervalued compared to the market. Mm, the point it is because we are considering an OPAT instead an EBIT, but if we do something like that, I think so we should get an implied share value spanning in a range from 46 to 54, considering that the actual I remember that the market share price was a bit different. 29 should be 52.55. 52.55. Okay. So according to this first formula, we are slightly undervalued compared to the market. But there is another formula you can use. This is the Gordon formula, which states that we can compute our EVU enterprise value in this other way. We basically get the NOPAT, we multiply by 1 times the growth rate divided by weighted average cost of capital minus wage rate. The difference between these two formula, I mean, the first one is dividing the NOPAT by the weighted average cost of capital, and this formula, the difference is that here you're assuming that your company is supposed to making 16.038 million of NOPAT each year forever, and in this other option you are supposing that your company is making 16.038 million each year times 1 plus the growth rate. So which means it is making a bit more each year by year. In this case, about the growth rate, you can download it by the IMF, but in this video I'd like to show you another website, which is the OECD inflation forecast section. I have already picked the USA, and the long-term growth rate which is basically the 2026 is 2.1. So 2.1, as you can see now, let me code all of this. The implied share price is from our income valuation is a bit overpriced compared to the market share price at the valuation date. I think that this is quite used as a control method instead of a principal method generally, or by the way, it is used with other method in order maybe to create a football field. And I know that in this model we didn't make many adjustments to this section, but fortunately it is not possible to get more detailed information about each one of these items. So I try to make you understand that surely there are some, in my opinion, there are some hidden costs and revenues extraordinary in this habit, disguised into this habit. So I've tried to reduce it a while um, with this makeshift. I mean, you can do this kind of adjustments I made for this. This is not an extraordinary, excuse me, but neither it is this one. You can use this approach here if you have more detailed information, but I hope you can understand the logic beneath this method. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please write them below in the comment, and I'd be happy to answer them. And so as always, if you want the model, please like the video, subscribe, and leave your email below in the comment, and I'm going to send this to you. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.